So today we're going to look at Flipdish's integration with Zapier. Zapier is an online automation tool that connects your favorite apps such as Gmail, Slack, MailChimp, Google Sheets, and many more. You can connect 2 or more apps to automate repetitive tasks without coding or relying on developers to build the integration. It's easy enough that anyone can build their own app workflows with just a few clicks. These workflows are called Zaps. Let's take a look at how we can take the heavy lifting out of your day-to-day time-consuming tasks with the Flipdish Zapier integration. You're going to be able to automate simple things like adding a row to a Google Sheet when you receive an order, creating a voucher when a new row is added to a Google Sheet, add a new customer to MailChimp, along with thousands of other workflow automations that are now possible with the Flipdish Zapier app. There are 2 ways you can access the Flipdish Zapier integration. Both involve going to the Flipdish website, flipdish.com. You can click the product button at the very top of the page and then click Integrations. If you scroll down the page to Integration Partners and click on All Integration Partners, then click on Zapier. This will take you to the Flipdish Zapier integration page. You can choose by clicking the link on the integrations page here, or scroll to the bottom of the page where you can activate individual Zaps. Let's take a quick look at what you'll see if you do click this link and are redirected to the Zapier page. Okay, now let's go back to the integrations page on the Flipdish website. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to activate an individual Zap at the bottom of the page. Let's look at something simple like creating a Google Sheet row for new Flipdish orders. So what I'll do is I'll click on the button on the right hand side of the page which says Use this Zap. I will then be asked to create a Zapier account with Google. I'm going to use my work email address to do this. Once I've set up my account, I will now be prompted to sign in with Flipdish. I will then enter my username and password for my business on the Flipdish portal. Zapier will then request some permission, in which case I will allow, and then I'll click Continue. I will then be asked to select my store from the drop-down list. I will then click Test Trigger, and then I'll be asked to sign into Google Sheets. So I'll follow the usual sign-in process. And once that's complete, I'll be asked to select the location of the document in which I want to automate the information to. And then I select the document in which I want the information to be transferred to. I made a test sheet called My Orders to dump orders into for the purpose of this demonstration. And as you can see in the bottom right screen, I've given each column a name on this Google Sheet. I can then use Zapier to link each column to information from the order in the Flipdish portal, such as the customer name, the order ID, and even the order value. Once I finish this process, I can click Continue and then click Test. To end the process, I just click Turn on Zap. Now I'm going to my restaurant's website to place an order as a customer. You will then see the order appear in the Flipdish portal as usual, but Zapier now will grab the information we have asked for and move it into the Google Sheet. And as you can see, that's exactly what it's done here in the bottom right hand corner. Now let's look at another example how you can easily set up new vouchers using a Google Sheet. This is a Zap I set up earlier just to demonstrate how information can also flow from Google Sheets back into the Flipdish portal. As you can see in my Google Sheet, I have 2 columns with code and amount. They correspond to the information you're seeing on the right hand side in the Flipdish portal, which are your customers' vouchers. All I have to do is select up to 3 of the values in my 2 columns and drag the formula down. I can then simply refresh my vouchers page on the Flipdish portal. As you can see, the new vouchers we just created now appear in the Flipdish portal. This is just another example of how the Flipdish Zapier integration can make your life much easier when it comes to managing your online business. For more information on Zapier, contact help@flipdish.com and we'll be glad to help you out.